Good Earth, a pioneer in alternative architecture and development, is the passionate effort of a group of architects, engineers, craftsmen, and naturalists that started in the late 80s. The group was inspired by the common sense architecture of Lowry Baker, Mahatma Gandhi's ideals on decentralized development, and Masanobu Fukuoka's ecological farming. In its initial years, Good Earth designed and built hundreds of residential and several significant institutional projects. With Good Earth Hamlet in Kochi being the first group housing project in 1994. Through its three centers in Bengaluru, Kochi, and Calicut, Good Earth continues to build residential communities and has ongoing projects. Kochi, where the Good Earth story began, has the largest number of communities. With modern times, its signature project, Good Earth Kochi, presents India's first vertical villas with awe-inspiring surrounding sky gardens. Youngest among the centers is Good Earth Calicut. Its ongoing project, Barefoot on the Hills, represents man's primordial need to be in perfect union with nature. Malhar Eco Village, spread across 70 plus acres with close to 1,000 homes in Kengeri, Bengaluru, is Good Earth's signature project in urban housing. A sustainable community, Malhar stretches seamlessly, wherein the houses are nestled in pockets of quietude and the greenery around is punctuated by myriad colored flowers. The result is a beautiful tapestry, and the whole community is in flux and continually growing. Malhar is a true celebration of diversity with people, flora, and fauna. Every day is a festival here. Free football training to over 100 youngsters from the three surrounding villages of Malhar, Kengeri over the last 13 years, and Palasi Raja Kalari Academy training young students in the traditional Indian martial art in Kannur are Good Earth's social initiatives. Revival of Anchepalia Lake, an urban lake in the neighborhood, transformation of a degraded area in Toyota Kirloskar Bengaluru into Toyota Eco Zone, and a portion of the land in National Law School into an enriching landscape are testimonies to Good Earth's ecological restoration and ecoscaping, respectively. 96.4 million hectares are under desertification in India as per the Government of India report. With climate change, drought, floods, and landslides have become rampant. Good Earth, with deeper insights on sustainability, soil, water, and ecology, took to climate-resilient agriculture to reverse environmental damages. Today, Good Earth grows food in 100 plus acres in different agroclimatic zones in the states of Karnataka and Kerala. Its sustainable agriculture practices are leading to improved soil health, enhancing the health of plants, animals, and human beings. It has transformed a once monocrop rubber plantation into a vibrant and diverse food forest in Kerala. The need for something more led Good Earth to newer explorations in regenerative development. The surge shaped its vision in the form of Sarang, Good Earth's first holistic eco-village nestled in the foothills of Purlimala, Western Ghats. Sarang, a semi-urban area where the quality of life with abundant light, clean air, water, and food dictates daily living. With residential communities on 15 acres and a food forest on 12 acres, Sarang, in North Malabar region near Kannur Airport, Kerala, offers spaces of common interaction, right environment for people to live, learn, and a safe space to raise your children, where adults work in a pristine environment and interact. The region is also known for its spirited and rich culture. Sarang aims to revive the rural economy and reverse migration. With deeper understanding of regenerative agriculture, Good Earth now is collaborating with Arlam Farming Corporation, Kannur district, Kerala, to demonstrate holistic design and management of land through sustainable agriculture that entails a rich-to-valley approach with emphasis on multi-cropping, exploring tropical crop diversity in agriculture land, growing trees with strong anchor roots to control subsoil erosion and thereby retain moisture, also create employment for the tribal community in the neighborhood and others in the region, thereby fueling the economy. Good Earth thus aspires it to be a global learning center on climate resilient agriculture.